The clown loach is a popular freshwater fish native to the rivers and streams of Indonesia, specifically the islands of Sumatra and Borneo. Welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about the clown loach. These vibrant and active fish have been a staple in the aquarium hobby for decades, known for their striking colors and playful behavior. They were first described in the 19th century and have since captivated aquarists worldwide. An interesting fact about clown loaches is their ability to produce clicking sounds, especially when feeding or feeling threatened. These clicks come from their pharyngeal teeth and are a unique way of communicating, which adds to their charm as aquarium pets. Clown loaches are easily recognizable by their bright orange bodies, accented with 3 bold black stripes. They have elongated, laterally compressed bodies and can grow up to 12 inches in length, though they often remain smaller in home aquariums. They also possess small barbels near their mouths, which they use to search for food. In the wild, clown loaches inhabit clear, slow-moving rivers and floodplains with soft, sandy substrates. They are usually found in groups hiding among rocks, roots, and other underwater structures. They prefer water temperatures ranging from 77 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit and slightly acidic to neutral pH levels around 6.0 to 7.5. They thrive in soft, well-oxygenated water. Clown loaches require a spacious tank due to their potential size and active nature. A minimum tank size of 75 gallons is recommended for a small group, as these fish are social and should be kept in groups of at least 5. They prefer a well-decorated aquarium with plenty of hiding spots, such as caves, driftwood, and plants, which mimic their natural habitat. These loaches are omnivores and enjoy a varied diet, including sinking pellets, live and frozen foods, like bloodworms or brine shrimp, and vegetable matter like cucumbers or zucchini. Clown loaches are peaceful and do well in community tanks with other non-aggressive species. Suitable tank mates include other loaches, tetras, razoboras, and larger, peaceful cichlids. Since they are active and can be quite playful, they may inadvertently stress smaller and more timid fish. It's best to avoid housing them with aggressive species that may nip at their fins or compete aggressively for food. Clown loaches are excellent for controlling snail populations in aquariums, as they will actively hunt and consume small snails. However, it's important to note that they can be sensitive to changes in the water quality and are prone to diseases like ick. Maintaining stable, clean water conditions is crucial for their health. Additionally, they can be easily startled and may jump out of the tank, so a secure lid is recommended. That's it today for clown loaches. These colorful, entertaining fish can be a delightful addition to any large, well-maintained aquarium. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on experiences with clown loaches in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy fish keeping.